Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming eligibility and deadlines because missing a cutoff ruins everything. Once confirmed, collect the syllabus, past papers, and the exam format. This tells you what to prioritize. Make a realistic 12-week schedule and allocate 2 3-hour daily blocks. Shorter focus sessions beat marathon cramming. Also set weekly checkpoints to measure progress and adjust. If you begin now with concrete materials and a timeline, you create momentum and avoid last-minute panic. You proceed to structured study. Break subjects into core topics and allocate focused weeks. Once done with a topic, practice with timed past papers to train speed and endurance. Mark issue spotting and drafting separately. Use model answers and law reports to align your analysis and citations. Make sure to get feedback from peers or mentors and iterate. Rewriting a practice answer improves clarity far more than repeating errors. Alternate study types, reading, drafting, and correction, to lock in understanding and exam technique. You enter the final stretch with full mock exams under exact time limits and exam day conditions to build confidence. Once done, review mistakes, prioritize rapid revisions for weak topics, and create concise one-page summaries for quick recaps. Make logistical checks, ID, travel, permitted materials, and a sleep and nutrition plan to perform on the day. If you feel overwhelmed, use a short breathing routine, drop low-yield study, and focus on high-impact fixes. This reduces panic and improves final performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.